Hey everyone, welcome back to Making Stuff and Breaking Stuff with Al. So today, if you want to see how I turn this ordinary piece of scrap metal into this sweet little neck knife with Kydex Sheath, stick around because I'm about to show you. Be right back.
Alright,
so I found out this is 3/16 of an inch thick. I scribed my line on my blade. Anyways, you can see the line right there. So it's 3/16. Got the drill bit, set it on the flat, I set it on the ground, then I just scraped it. As you can see, I've kind of beveled one side already. So anyways, I think it's going to turn out to be a pretty good little neck knife, little Bowie style neck knife. Perfect. I would call you Stabby. Looks good. I think that's about as thin as I want to take the blade. Take the clamps off and check this bad boy. Nice. I like it. I like this knife a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and grind this all down. Let's see how she looks. So, finish up the handle grind, put a little, I don't know what they call it, coke bottle grind. We're going to bring this in a little bit here, bring it out, do those spikes, so it fits your hand a little bit better. Do that, finish the blade up just a little bit, and then we're going to kind of I might do one little more undrill the holes in my sheath here. Got a 1/4 inch drill bit here. Mess it up. Alright, well there she is. My first ever minimalist neck knife. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and give her a thumbs up there. Pull her out, show you the final product. I really like the Blaze Orange G10 handles. I've been wearing this for about a day and a half already, and the dirt kind of accentuates the details in the handle. So I really like that. The black phenolic pin in there, jimping, choil. It's wicked sharp. I'm not good at cutting paper, so I'll just trim a little bit of hair off my leg here. I'll show you just one sec. I think the case turned out really well. Okay, little shave test here. There you go. Look at that. Shave your legs with that bad boy. That is sharp. See that? I don't want to shave too much. There, now you can really see that handle. I did trim a little too much off right here so you can see the hole in the tang. But other than that, I think it turned out pretty good. I Coke bottled the handle. This is only my second knife handle I'd ever epoxied together. This is my first G10 handle. Little thumb ramp there. Pop it out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments.